Welcome to the Iron Tech. Today I will tell you how to make YouTube cover photo by Canva. So you can come here and you can write YouTube channel or YouTube channel cover. So let's take the example of this one. So I am going to make my YouTube cover photo because it is very important and it has a lot of attraction. So different template will be given to you. So there are a lot of templates, so it's up to you which templates you would like to get. So for example, if this is the template I want to use, this one I will select this one. But first of all, change the name of here. So for example, the name is channel Mehri Tech. Okay, now this is Mehri Tech, and here you should move this one, and also like here, and it's a subscriber options, so you can change according to your setup. So again I am going to a little bit upside, because why I am going, just wait and see this video why this is beneficial for this thing. Okay, now it doesn't mean you are going to save this one and it will be really helpful for you. You should go to the Google and write YouTube channel cover. Okay, so for example, if I am clicking here and if I am going to save this one, then I am going back to here and I will upload that sample as well. So there are already uploaded few files, but I am going again and going to the my options where I have downloaded that things channel art. Yeah, so I have uploaded this one. Now you will place this one on your provided your uh, channel art. So as you can see, it must be inside here. So now what you want to do, you have to go here, for example click here and change this one transparency, like this one. So it means there are few things which are outside the box. So first thing is you should uh, click on this one and change this, like here, like here, then it should be inside here. So all the adjustment you should make carefully. So for example, like here, so you can also board this one as well if you want, but be careful, it should not be outside the box. So like here, so again I am going to click here and want to see, is it inside? Yes, almost is it inside. So but there is a space, so I have to go it again to zoom it. For example, again I am zooming and now going here. I think this is okay. Subscribe, then this option should also be bigger. After that you can click here, and for example if you want this arrow, so you can come across here, you can move it as well. So I think now it's okay. So again you can see here almost it's okay. Now you should minimize this one, like here. Now I am going to upload my one of the picture inside here. For example, this is like here, you will see it's inside that one. Just wait, because I have to remove this one. No, it should be inside here. Please again, just wait. So you can see here it will fit inside this one, but unfortunately you can't see this one. So you should use another picture which should be the fit on this one. So now it's okay. So you can come here and uh, minimize it. You can see this picture is out of the box. So now you should go to that picture and minimize that one, and when it will be here almost close. Now I think it's inside the box. So now you can use this one for your purpose. So again, go here, and this is your transparency, and delete the previous one. Now it will be uh, your channel art. You can use this one for your purposes. So I hope this video you will like it, and you will share to the friends as well. After that, the same thing, you will go to the download, and after that you can upload on the YouTube. I am going to tell you how you will go in channel customization, and here you will easily upload the banner image. So see you soon, take care, goodbye.